Hello guys, I'm here with a small tutorial on how to make TNT flicker like this, and how to make a door turn on this axis. This tutorial is suggested by someone, so I'm making it so it'll rotate on this axis and the texture is not wrong. In my animation the texture was wrong, so it looked like he was opening the door on the wrong side, and the handle was here, and the door rotated like this, which was kind of awkward. And okay, so let's get to the tutorial. First let's do the TNT part. So let's get a new cube, and you should already know the basics of Minecraft. If you haven't watched my modeling tutorial, watch that and you should know how to get the textures in and everything. So make it Minecraft size, so make 100 on each and click on it, make it editable, face select. I'm just going to do the top of it, not the sides. And so everything else is repetitive. You just have